how to code and animate a robot jumping in Scratch. Create a new project, delete the sprite, click Choose a Sprite, select the robot sprite, go into the Paint editor, delete the other robots, and I'm going to quickly draw a mouth on him. Duplicate our sprite. Click and drag over your robot, selecting everything but the legs. Rotate your robot using the rotation points at the bottom. Now, move the robot back into place. We're going to select each arm, rotate it from the bottom, making it look like our robot is preparing to jump. Duplicate Costume 1 and drag it under Costume 2. Select your entire robot and move him up. Select his legs, rotate them, and move them into position. Grab his arm, rotate it, move it into position. Repeat on the other arm. Grab his arm, rotate it, move it into position. Duplicate Costume 2. Drag Costume 3 all the way down to the bottom. Duplicate Costume 1. Now bring Costume 2 all the way to the bottom. Duplicate Costume 3. Now we have all the costumes we need. Let's add a space background. Then we'll add the code to drive the animation. I'm going to go to our code now. When green flag clicked, wait 1 second. Forever. Next costume. And in this wait 1 second, let's type 0.1 seconds. Combine next costume and 0.1 seconds and put those in the middle of the forever block. Now grab your block of codes and join it with when green flag clicked. Green flag, and ta-da! We did it! How to code a robot army in Scratch. Welcome back to part 2 of making our robot jump. This time we're going to have some fun and create a robot army. Let's go into our robot project and swap out when green flag clicked with when space key pressed. Now we'll add create clone of myself and the when this sprite clicked block and combine those together. Keep the code editor open and press the spacebar to get our robot army started. Now when we hit the spacebar or click our sprite, a clone of our robot appears. Move each clone into a different spot and build your robot army. Go to full screen once you have enough robots. Remember to hit the spacebar to get all robots jumping. And if you hit the stop button, the scene will start over. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next robot adventure.